ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, വരാൻ പോകുന്ന എല്ലാ സിവിൽ എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗ് എക്സാംസിനും ആവശ്യമായിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു മോക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റ് സീരീസ് ആയിരുന്നു നമ്മൾ കണ്ടക്ട് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടേയിരുന്നത്. അതിന്റെ ഭാഗമായിട്ട് ഇന്ന് എടുത്തിരിക്കുന്ന ടോപ്പിക്ക് എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗ് ഡ്രോയിങ് ആണ്. എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗ് ഡ്രോയിങ് റിലേറ്റഡ് ആയിട്ട് പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയറിൽ ചോദിച്ചിട്ടുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസും അതിന്റെ തിയറി പോർഷൻസും ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ട് ഓൾറെഡി വീഡിയോ അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ളതാണ്. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ചാനലിന്റെ പ്ലേലിസ്റ്റിൽ പോയി അത് ചെക്ക് ചെയ്യാവുന്നതാണ്. ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോയ്ക്കകത്ത് മാക്സിമം എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗ് ഡ്രോയിങ് ചോദിച്ചിട്ടുള്ള പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിയിട്ടുള്ളത്. ആദ്യമായിട്ടാണ് നിങ്ങൾ ചാനൽ കാണുന്നതെങ്കിൽ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. ഇതുപോലെ സിവിൽ എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗ് റിലേറ്റഡ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള വീഡിയോസ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ലഭിക്കണമെങ്കിൽ ആ ബെല്ലൈക്കൺ കൂടി പ്രസ് ചെയ്യാം. സോ ഇന്നത്തെ മോക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റ് നമുക്ക് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യാം. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, single stroke lettering recommended by Bureau of Indian Standards for use in engineering drawing is options IS 960883, IS 960086, IS 960983, IS 960785. Answer option C, IS 960983. The angle of meter line is dash degrees. Options 75 degree, 60 degree, 45 degree, none of those. Answer option C, 45 degree. The angle of meter line is 45 degrees. A triangle is said to be well conditioned when it's contained. Options angle more than 90 and less than 45, no angle more than 90 and less than 45, no angle greater than 120 and less than 30, angle greater than 130 and less than 30. Answer option C, no angle greater than 120 and less than 30. A triangle is said to be well conditioned when it is contained. No angle should greater than 120 and less than 30. A curve generated by a point on the circumference of a cylinder as cylinder rolls along a straight line is options involute, cycloid, hypocycloid, epicycloid. Answer option B, cycloid. A curve generated by a point on the circumference of a cylinder as cylinder rolls along a straight line is answer cycloid. Cycloidal curves are included in which group? Options helix, conix, spiral, roulette. Answer option D, roulette. Cycloidal curves are included in which group? Answer roulette. Clinograph. Options instrument used for measuring angles, instrument used for measuring distance, adjustable set square, none of those. Answer option C, adjustable set square. Clinograph is a adjustable set square. The chord passing through a focus of a conic sand perpendicular to the axis is called options focal radius, focal normal, focal tangent, focal chord. Answer option D, focal chord. The chord passes through the focus of a conic sand perpendicular to the axis is called focal chord. The dimensioning to be used only where the possible accumulation of tolerance does not endanger the functional requirements of the part. Options: parallel dimensioning, chain dimensioning, superimposed running dimensioning, none of those. Answer: option B, chain dimensioning. When the section plane is inclined to the axis of the cone and cut all the generator, the section obtained is. Options: ellipse, parabola, hyperbola, helix. Answer: option A, ellipse. When the section plane is inclined to the axis of the cone and cut all generators, the section obtained is ellipse. It is a curved ruler. Use it for drawing irregular curve. Options: flexible curve, tensile, compass, French curve. Answer: option D, French curve. It is a curved ruler. Use it for drawing irregular curve. Is French curve. Which is not an oblique projection? Options: general, trimetric, cavalier, cabinet. Answer: option B, trimetric. Which is not an oblique projection? Answer: option B, trimetric. Others: general, cavalier, cabinet are other classification of a oblique projection. The size of letters and numerals are designated by their option: width, height, inclination, line thickness. Answer: option B, height. The size of letters and numerals are designated by their answer: height. Which instrument is used to erase a particular spot of a line without erasing the nearby line? Options: erasing shield, eraser, trimmer, none of those. Answer: option A, erasing shield. The instrument used to erase a particular spot of the line without erasing nearby line. Answer: erasing shield. The number of edges in octahedron. Options: 8, 12, 16, 24. Answer: option B, 12. The area enclosed between a part of circumference and two radii is a. Options: segment, sector, quadrant, tangent. Answer: option B, sector. Area enclosed between part of circumference and two radii is answer: sector. A solid contained by plane surface is termed as. Options: polygon, polyhedron, sphere, tangent. Answer: option B, polyhedron. A solid form generated by revolving a right angle triangle about a fixed line is called. Options: cylinder, cone, pyramid, sphere. Answer: option B, cone. A solid form generated by revolving a right angle triangle about a fixed line is called answer: cone. A scale represents either two units or a unit and a subdivision is? Options: diagonal scale, plane scale, vernier scale, scale of chords. Answer: option B, plane scale. A scale represents either two units or a unit and a subdivision is. Answer: plane scale. The path of a point which moves in space is known as. Options: centroid, locus, spiral, prism. Answer: option B, locus. The path of a point which moves in a space is known as. Answer: locus. A drawing which shows the true shape of the surface of a solid one plane is called. Options: isometric projection, development, perspective, orthographic projection. Answer: option B, development. A drawing which shows the true shape of the surface of a solid in one plane is called development. If we cut a cone by a plane, the section obtained by the plane of intersection is called. Options: square section, conic section, cylindrical section, circular section. Answer: option B, conic section. If we cut a cone by a plane, the section obtained at the plane of intersection is called conic section. The representative fraction of 1 centimeter equal 20 meter is. Options: 1 by 200, 1 by 2000, 1 by 20, 1 by 5000. Answer: option B, 1 by 2000. RFന്റെ ഇക്വേഷൻസ് സബ്സ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്ത് കഴിയുമ്പോഴാണ് നമുക്ക് ആ ആൻസർ കിട്ടുന്നത് 1 by 2000. Special publication of BIS for engineering drawing practice for students is. Options: SP60, SP46, SP24, SP34. Answer: option B, SP46. The special publication of BIS for engineering drawing practice for students is. Answer: SP46. 3-point perspective view is used to draw the pictorial view of a. Options: long veranda, tall building, building in architectural drawing, lamppost on the roadside. Answer: option B, tall building. 3-point perspective view is used to draw the pictorial view of a tall building. Lines with thin chain thick cut ends are used to show the. Options: central line, cutting plane, lines of symmetry, outlines of adjacent part. Answer: option B, cutting plane. Lines with thin chain thick cut ends are used to show the cutting plane. A solid generated by the revolution of a semicircle about its diameter is called. Options: cylinder, sphere, hemisphere, cone. Answer: option B, sphere. A solid generated by the revolution of a semicircle about its diameter is called. Answer: sphere. Bow compass is used for options: drawing big circle, drawing very small circle, drawing parallel lines, drawing curves. Answer option B, drawing very small circle. Bow compass is used for drawing very small circle. The enlarged scale of a drawing is option 1:1, 1:50, 15:1, none of those. Answer option C, 50:1. The enlarged scale of a drawing is 50:1. Which conic is known as central conic? Options: parabola, hyperbola, ellipse, circle. Answer option B, hyperbola. A conic which have only one directrix. Options: parabola, hyperbola, ellipse, circle. Answer option A, parabola. A conic which has only one directrix. Answer parabola. The cut point of the major axis on the curve of an ellipse are called options: focus, vertex, foci, tangent and normal. Answer option B, vertex. The cut point of the major axis on the curve of an ellipse are called answer vertex. The method for drawing the isometric projection is options: auxiliary method, coordinate method, oblique method, parallel method. Answer option B, coordinate method. The method for drawing the isometric projection is coordinate method. The method in which the numbers are placed parallel or in line with the dimension line is called options: unidirectional, aligned, angular, linear system. Answer option B, aligned. The method in which the numbers are placed parallel or in the line with the dimension line is called answer aligned. A curve generated by a point moving on a line so that the ratio of length of succeeding radius is same for equal angular movement. Options: Archimedean spiral, logarithmic spiral, helix, none of those. Answer option B, logarithmic spiral. A curve generated by a point moving on a line so that the ratio of length of succeeding radius is same for equal angular movement. Answer logarithmic spiral. The following polygons are inscribed in a circle having same diameter. Which polygon should have maximum area? Option: pentagon, octagon, heptagon, hexagon. Answer option B, octagon. The following polygons are inscribed in a circle having same diameter. Which polygon should have maximum area? Answer octagon. The size of the A0 size drawing sheet is 900 by 1257 mm, 841 by 1189 mm, 780 by 1024 mm, 850 by 1078 mm. Answer option B 184 by 1189 mm. The size of A0 drawing sheet is 841 by 1189 mm. IS 10714-2001 refer to options scales, lines, lettering, projection methods. Answer option B lines. IS 10714-2001 is referred to lines. Size of D1 drawing board is options 1500 by 1000 by 25 mm, 1000 by 700 by 25, 700 by 500 by 15, 500 by 350 by 15. Answer option B 1000 by 700 by 25 mm. The size of D1 drawing board is answer option B 1000 by 700 by 25. In first angle projection method, the plan is placed options below XY line, above XY line, anywhere, none of those. Answer option A below XY line. In first angle projection method, the plan is placed below XY line. Orthographic projection is also known as dash. Options oblique projection, perpendicular projection, cavalier projection, cabinet projection. Answer option B perpendicular projection. Orthographic projection is also known as perpendicular projection. When a cone is cut off by a plane inclined to its base but not passing through the base and the portion obtained after removing the part containing the apex is options tetrahedron, pentahedron, festum of cone, truncated cone. Answer option D truncated cone. Question when the cone is cut off by the plane inclined to its base but not passes through base and the portion obtained after removing the part containing the apex is answer truncated cone. By the combination of set squares, we can create dash angle. Options 90, 60, 45, 30 degrees, multiples of 50 degree, 90 degree, any one of those. Answer option B multiples of 50 degree. By the combination of set square, we can create multiples of 50 degree angles. Which of the following tool is used to draw horizontal lines? Options T-square, protractor, French curve, none of those. Answer option A T-square. T-square is used to draw the horizontal lines. In engineer scale, designation M5 indicates the scale of options 1:200, 1:10, 1:50, 1:400. Answer option A 1:200. M5-ന്റെ ഡെസിഗ്നേഷൻ സ്കെയിൽ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 1:200 and 1:500 ആണ്. ഓപ്ഷനിൽ നിന്ന് നമുക്ക് എടുക്കാൻ പറ്റുന്നത് 1:200 ആണ്. So, the question, in engineer scale, designation M5 indicate the scale of answer 1:200. For B-type, letter height is divided by dash equal parts. Options 46, 16, 12, 10. Answer option D 10. B-type letter ആണെങ്കിൽ height എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് it's divided by 10 equal parts. ഇനി A-type letter ആണ് ചോദിക്കുന്നതെങ്കിൽ height എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 14 equal parts ആയിട്ടാണ് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. So the question, for B-type letter height is divided by dash equal part. Answer 10 equal parts. In drawing, continuous thick line type A are used to represent options visible edges, dimension lines, central lines, hidden lines. Answer option A, visible edges. In drawing, continuous thick lines type A are used to represent visible edges. Which of the following statement is against the rule of dimensioning? Options dimension lines, extension lines and leader lines are drawn as continuous thin lines. Projection lines should not drawn beyond the dimension lines. Extension and dimension lines should not cross each other lines unless that is unavoidable. Each end of the dimension line should be defined by an arrowhead. So, question പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നത് against the rule of dimensioning ന്റെ statement എടുക്കാനാണ്. So, answer എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് option B. Projection lines should not draw beyond the dimension lines. Name of the conic whose eccentricity is 1. Options circle, cycloid, hyperbola, parabola. Answer option D, parabola. The conic whose eccentricity is 1. Answer parabola. In the context of construction of scales, the ratio of length of object in the drawing to the actual length of object is called options full scale, least count, representative fraction, diagonal scale. Answer option C, representative fraction. Representative fraction is defined as the ratio of length of the object in drawing to the actual length of the object. So answer is option C. Which of the following projection method has been recommended by the Bureau of Indian Standards for the preparation of engineering drawing of objects? Options first angle projection, second angle projection, third angle projection, fourth angle projection. Answer option A, first angle projection. First angle projection is recommended by Bureau of Indian Standard for the preparation of engineering drawing of objects. So answer option A. In first angle projection, options elevation is above the XY line and plan is below XY line. Plan is above XY line and elevation is below XY line. Both the elevation and plan are above the XY line. Both the elevation and plan are below XY line. So the answer is Option A, elevation is above the XY line and plan is below the XY line. So in first angle projection, elevation is above the XY line and plan is below the XY line. So answer is option A. The view drawn to show the internal details of an object is called. Options: isometric view, sectional view, oblique view, internal view. Answer: option B, sectional view. The view drawn to show the internal details of an object is called. Answer: option B, sectional view. In isometric projection, all horizontal edges are drawn as dash inclined lines to the horizontal line. Options: 0 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree, 30 degree. Answer: option D, 30 degree. In isometric projection, all horizontal edges are drawn as 30 degree inclined to the horizontal line. So answer is option D. The isometric axis is inclined at dash degree to each other. Options: 60 degree, 90 degree, 120 degree, 100 degree. Answer: option C, 120 degree. The isometric axis is inclined at 120 degree to each other. The surface area of A0 drawing sheet is: options: 0.5 m square, 1 m square, 2 m square, 1.44 m square. Answer: option B, 1 m square. The surface area of A0 drawing sheet is: answer 1 m square. The maximum number of tangents drawn to a circle from a point outside the circle. Options: 2, 4, 12, 10. Answer: option A, 2. The maximum number of tangents drawn to a circle from a point outside the circle. Answer: option A, 2. A solid bounded by 12 equal regular pentagon is known as: options: octahedron, tetrahedron, isosahedron, dodecahedron. Answer: option D, dodecahedron. In which regular polygon sides are equal to radius of circumscribing circle? Options: octagon, heptagon, hexagon, pentagon. Answer: option C, hexagon. Regular polygon sides are equal to the radius of circumscribing circle. Answer: hexagon. സോ ഇത്രയാണ് എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗ് ഡ്രോയിങ് റിലേറ്റഡ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിയ മോക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റ്. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗ് ഡ്രോയിങ്ങിന്റെ പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസും ഈ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനുകളുടെ എല്ലാം എക്സ്പ്ലനേഷൻസും നേരത്തെ വീഡിയോയിൽ അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. വീണ്ടും ആ ഒരു കാര്യം റിപ്പീറ്റ് ചെയ്യാതിരിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയാണ് മാക്സിമം പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ഇവിടെ ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. ആ വീഡിയോ നിങ്ങൾ കണ്ടിട്ടില്ല എങ്കിൽ ചാനലിന്റെ പ്ലേലിസ്റ്റിൽ എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗ് ഡ്രോയിങ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ ടൈറ്റിലിൽ തന്നെ ഉണ്ട്, നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ചെക്ക് ചെയ്യാവുന്നതാണ്. ചാനൽ ഇതുവരെ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാത്തവരെ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. സിവിൽ എഞ്ചിനീയർ റിലേറ്റഡ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള വീഡിയോസിന്റെ നോട്ടിഫിക്കേഷൻ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ലഭിക്കണമെങ്കിൽ ആ ബെല്ലൈക്കൺ കൂടി പ്രസ് ചെയ്യുക. വീഡിയോ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഉപകാരപ്പെട്ടു എങ്കിൽ ഒരു ലൈക്ക് ആൻഡ് ഷെയർ. താങ്ക് യു.